If you want to mirror an object in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're building flowcharts, diagrams, org charts, or wireframes, mirroring shapes can help you create cleaner layouts and more balanced designs. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your document in Lucidchart and click on the object or shape that you want to mirror. As soon as you select it, you'll see a blue bounding box around the shape, which tells you that the element is active and ready to edit. Next, look up at the formatting bar at the top of the screen. Find the Shape Options icon. This usually looks like 3 vertical sliders or lines, and it gives you access to more advanced shape controls. Click that Shape Options icon to open the panel. Once the panel appears, you'll see the flip settings. This is where Lucidchart lets you mirror your selected object in different directions. If you want to mirror the shape from left to right, choose Flip Horizontal. This is the option you'll use most often when you want to reverse the direction of a symbol, arrow, icon, or diagram element without changing its position on the page. If you want to mirror the object from top to bottom, choose Flip Vertical. This is useful for certain layout adjustments or when you need to duplicate a visual effect in the opposite orientation. The change applies immediately, so you can see the result right away. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply select the object again and try the other flip option until it matches the layout you want. This is a really simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time when you're designing diagrams in Lucidchart. Instead of rebuilding a shape from scratch, you can mirror it in seconds and keep your workflow moving fast. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Lucidchart tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.